Hello folks, today is going to be a real easy, simple video. Start off by saying we are in no way doctors or in the medical field, so do your own research. But what we're going to be making is elderberry tincture. It's something we take to help with our immune system. We're going to have to get some more. This is all the elderberries we have left. Unfortunately, we don't have no elderberry bushes, trees. Carolyn ordered these here. She had ordered a big pack a couple years ago, and we've got this many left. But it's real simple. Half elderberries, half 100 proof vodka. You see, it's a half a jar. Now what we're going to do is just finish filling up the jar here with the vodka. Get it pretty close to the top there. Now, take you a leak-proof lid. They claim not to use metal lids with alcohol, but what you do, have your leak-proof lid, shake it up good, and in 4 to 6 weeks, at least 4 to 6 weeks, let it sit at least that long. You see it's already turned colors. Take you a coffee filter or cheesecloth and separate your elderberries from your liquid, and then put it up and you'll have it. I think this has been the hardest part of the video, folks. Cars going up and down the road. But anyway, after 4 to 6 weeks, you can take like a teaspoon a day and it'll help boost your immune system. Once again, we are not doctors. Do your own research, but just throwing this out there. With the way times are going and everything, the uncertainty, instead of getting sick, if we can keep from getting sick, we'd probably be a whole lot better off. But like I said, just put in a cool, dark place. And if you think of it, every day, every other day, just go through and give it a shake like that there. You're done. And then after 4 to 6 weeks, just take you, like I say, a coffee filter or anything, and pour them out, and you'll have just clean liquid then. Like I said, this is a little jar. After we get some more, I'll see if Carolyn can find where she ordered her dried elderberries from. If you have your own, I hear what's good to do is actually put them in the freezer for 24 hours, and they'll come off a lot easier off the stems, and it'll be a lot better when you go to mix your vodka into it there. And then there's also recipes for making elderberry syrup and different things, but this here is a real easy, simple way of doing it. And there comes another vehicle. Let's let it go by. Alrighty. Today's Monday. Hope everybody has a great week. And if you would, just whenever you go to the grocery store, if you've got the extra money, buy a little bit extra, set it to the side. I don't really see the prices going down. All I see is them going up. It was crazy there yesterday when we went to buy layer pellets. The prices really skyrocketed on them now. The goat feed, everything's going up, folks. Just try not to really stress about it. Just like I said, if you've got a little bit extra money, get stuff that'll last a little bit, like some canned food, just whatever you catch on sale. Just, yeah, good idea, Carolyn. Dry goods. Like I said, flour, if you get it, oatmeal, anything like that there, put it in the freezer for at least a week. and then you can store it somewhere in a dry place. Just
Dry beans.
dry beans. Come on, Shug, keep telling me some more stuff over here. Give me some ideas.
Rice.
Rice. Speak up, Shug. What else we got? Carolyn don't like the camera. I don't know. Folks, you have a good week, and Lord willing, we'll see you Wednesday, and may throw a short here and there in every now and then, but you all have a great day and a great week. Thank you again for watching. Oh, there's another vehicle. Y'all have a good day. Bye. That's all, folks.